Today we're in northern Broome County. We're going to hike Triangle State Forest. A beautiful little tract of land. The trees are still got some color in them. Should be a fun day to wander through the woods.
Yep, come on and hike with us.
And we'll start out today on this old public forest access road. It's an extension of Rathburn Road, which enters the forest. Pretty rutty, it's only seasonal. They don't plow it. And the forest access road continues on a ways straight ahead. We'll be taking a right. There's a short side spur road, which we'll take for a little bit before we start bushwhacking up to the rest of the forest. See a nice little swamp right there off this side road. And after a short ways, this little side road butts right up against private property, all posted, so we'll have to take a right here and start our bushwhacking. We're gonna start bushwhacking right up that hill, right there. Let the fun begin.
Woohoo! This is gonna be tricky because of the leaves.
Leaves do make it a little slippery.
I can't see what's under them. You know?
I gotta love climbing up the steeps. Get your blood going, heart pumping. Yeah, once you start going up the hill, it's time to delayer. Get rid of the heavier coat, put on the lightweight coat.
Yes.
Feel the heat.
Feel the heat, yes.
And we're descending now down to some evergreen forest down here, but there's a lot of blowdown through here. A little bit sketchy. Fighting your way through all the blowdown and trees and branches. It's fun.
Bushwhack, this is the place to be. For sure.
Bushwhacking is a whole nother element of hiking. It's a lot of fun if you're up for it. Oh, what do we have here? It's like a, I don't know, a deer blind or something maybe? Hunter may have built out in the middle of the forest. You can crouch down and hide, I guess.
Yeah, very cool.
And after bushwhacking for a little ways through the thick trees, we made it out to a snowmobile trail. Looks like it goes right in from where we started by the car. And heads up this way. We'll follow it for a while. Makes it a little bit easier. And we came to the end of the forest property, so we have to bushwhack again, heading down towards the stream and the swamp that's down here. Kind of fun area, very overgrown though. And we continue to push through the thickets now. It's getting very thick as we try to make our way down to the swampy area where the water is. Somehow we're drawn to the water. Not really sure about that why, but we must go. So we're heading back after making our way back down to the swampy area. It's very overgrown there. Couldn't really see much. So we're heading back, angling our way back towards the car. Through these beautiful yellow, green, orange leaves. Nice fall day. And as we make our way back to the car, we figured we'd stop here on this log and enjoy our lunch. Some nice hot soup.
Oh yeah.
Gotta love it. Ooh, puffballs. Look at them. Nice. Get the one next to it. Nice.
There, now you've been poisoned.
Look at the spores. All right, let's head back.
Nice trees through here, huh?
Beautiful through here.
Yeah.
Tall pines.
Strategically placed.
And that concludes our hike today of Triangle State Forest in northern Broome County. We hiked just about 4 miles today. Beautiful time to be out. Nice day in the forest.
See you on the trails.